Terra Luna Classic is down in price. Down to 12,600 points per coin. Down to above the resistance levels. Down and now testing new support that it recently broke through, which is an excellent bullish signal. Guys, if you missed it, Terra Luna Classic touched 140 points per coin yesterday. An excellent rally from the levels that we have been seeing over the last couple of weeks, and a very strong technical move higher. Now, in this video, I'm going to go over whether or not it was a technical move, whether or not it's anticipation of some of the proposals passing out there, everything Terra Luna Classic, so you know what's going on, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn, but please be aware if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges, so if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And finally, thank you to everybody going out to Amazon, grabbing your favorite bro merch, grabbing your favorite shib merch, literally grabbing anything off of Amazon, because you guys are burning Shiba Inu coin by doing so, so thank you very much for supporting the Shiba Inu coin community and generating that commission based on your Amazon sales. Now, guys, let's talk about this, man, because 12,600 points per coin, and we are down 6% on the day today. I'm actually excited about that. Bitcoin pulling back a little bit off the $53,000 level of resistance. Shiba Inu coin pulling back a little bit, and that is completely fine because we are now using 12,500 as support instead of using 12,500 as resistance. And that is a very strong move for Terra Luna Classic to get back up above those levels, and I absolutely hope that it maintains those levels. So with 14,000 being tested, we're going to have to wait and see if that holds up as a new level of resistance, or if we can actually go all the way back up to the 16,000 point per coin mark to become a new level of resistance. But guys, there's a lot going on in the Terra Luna Classic community right now. I want to touch on a couple things that some of the former Layer 1 developers are kind of trying to work on, get approval on, and so on. It says, LUNC News, Terra Classic tests 800 million USTC burn without contract migration. A former joint Layer 1 task force developer, along with other developers and Terra Luna Classic validators, has started working on an 800 million USTC burn to reduce the circulating supply of the stablecoin by burning the balance in a contract. According to the latest details, a proposal for contract migration will be submitted for voting. So this is not out there yet, and it will become upcoming. It says the Terra Luna Classic developer, Frag, on February 13th revealed that the testnet rehearsal is ongoing in response to the community's plan to burn 800 million USTC. The move comes after the community decided to burn instead, as no fund recovery via the wallet owners is possible, and blacklisting serves no purpose anymore. Blacklisting literally burns. I mean, guys, there's no difference. If you lose the keys to your wallet, it's burnt. It's not, you can never use it. You can never get it again. It's not sent to the burn wallet, sure. But there's no difference if it's inaccessible by you and anybody else in your wallet, or if it's inaccessible by you and anybody else in the burn wallet. It says the code will be used to migrate 800 million USTC from multi-sig contract or wallet of Risk Harbor to a new code version via the contract migration proposal. Community needs to approve the migration proposal for blacklisting and burning 800 million USTC balance. I actually don't know if this is going to pass anymore because they're not KYC, so I don't know if they're going to be able to work on this at this point in time. But let's talk about some of the other proposals that are out there as people once again obsess over the 800 million USTC that is essentially already burned. We got a couple of them out there. 12067 is the tax to gas implementation. Adding Certic is the recognized KYC provider. Contributions without KYC and hidden voting results. Unfortunately, Matthew Perry's proposal here, 1248 for hidden voting results, that ends on what is this, tomorrow. It ends tomorrow. The 17th of February is not going to pass. 1% yes votes, 86% no votes, 12% no with veto, and 0.76% voting to abstain. It is not going to pass at this point in time. People apparently want to see the results in real time as opposed to waiting and I guess, relying on their validator to vote the correct way. Contributions without KYC. I'm actually surprised that this proposal hasn't been receiving more votes than it had. It ends on February 18th. Currently 37% yes votes, 29% no votes, nearly 30% no with veto, and 4% voting to abstain. 272 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for, and it has not yet met quorum. One that is passing, adding Ceratic as a recognized KYC provider. Proposal 1258. Adding Ceratic is a recognized KYC provider for the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. 74% yes votes, 0.09 no, 10% no with veto, and 15% voting to abstain. 575 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for. It is going to pass, and it also ends on February 18th. Finally, one new proposal up there. It ends on February 23rd. It's received a few yes votes so far, but still has a long way to go. We'll break this one down by itself in a future video, but this is the tax to gas implementation. Okay, you've got team members that are going to be working on this, pending their KYC status being approved. And we'll go over the proposal overview because it is a rather long one, but it is a total budget of $24,000. Okay, $5,000 to be paid up front. Interesting. I thought we were paying per job when the job was completed. $9,500 after a month. And $9,500 after the work is completed. Everybody wants paid up front. Everybody wants paid right now. It's ridiculous, guys. What was the pay per job proposal? What was all this? I think we're just here working on a quarterly basis now, whatever, $24,000 spend. We'll break that down in the future. 88% yes votes. Man. 5% no, 7% no with veto, and 0.11% voting to abstain. 85 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for so far. It is currently not yet met quorum, but 87, almost 88% yes votes is a very, very strong start. So let me know what you guys think about everything Terra Luna Classic down in the comments below. The price action, the proposals, and of course, that button right there is still red. Make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. Use that Amazon link. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.